stuff, so yeah. Hives, Bee Swarm, episode 4. Yeah. Okay. And we got our bees, Stubborn Bee, Bumblebee, ZB, Hasty Bee. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's collect some pollen. Cause, yeah. Stuff. Yeah. The Astronauts is here as well. Okay. All of this pollen. Okay. Well, what should we do? Okay, why not? Quests are epic. Well, okay. Well, every episode we get a new bee. So, we're gonna get a new one right now because I feel like it. Okay. I wonder what this bee is gonna be. Because I still got a lot of royal jelly. Royal jellies. Jellies that are royal. Jelly that is royal. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it for Astronauts. There he is. Okay, let's begin with the new egg. Right there. Okay. And then the royal jelly. Transform to bee. Looker. Oh, that guy looks so cute. Looker bee. Looker bee. Yeah. Woohoo. Stuff. I'm so happy. We got an epic bee. Yay. Actually, I don't know if he's epic. I didn't check. But he's epic. It's awesome. Okay then. There he comes. Get him, bees. Oh no, one bee sad. Okay. Stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah. Feed him. Yeah, looker bee. Here you go. Looker bee need. I can't do that. I can't do that. Too much. Whoops. Okay. What about Stubborn? Or Looker? Stop! Hello, Astronauts. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna go do Bee Bear. So, yeah. Black Bear has been such a good bear this year. But being well behaved doesn't mean you got talent. Ho. Okay. Okay. Wow. My quest thing has recharged, I guess. 'Cause I got a lot more. about you, Black Bear? Can you believe it's already winter? Winter is the best season for making I don't care. Stuff! Yay! Woohoo! Things! Awesome! I wonder if those things make me faster. Because I feel like I'm going faster than a normal Roblox game. That doesn't do anything. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, Oshrots want me to follow him. Oshrots wants me to follow him. Okay! I wonder where he's gonna take us. He's going so fast. Wow. What is this place? Wait. 5! Wait, is this the place that Oshrots was talking about last time? Ah! Spider. You need 5 bees to enter. Oh, new area. That makes sense. This place is cool. Epic. Cheese and stuff. So yeah. Awesome stuff. Penguins. I like penguins. Yay! So much stuff to collect. Beetles. New quests. Oh, new quest guy. Where? Parkour. Wait, there's our shreds. Hi. How do I get up there? Not me. I wanna get up. I wanna get up. How do I get up? Oh wait, Ashrots. Okay. This way. I was going the wrong way. Okay. Just glider. Yeah. Stuff. So yeah, penguins. Jeez, awesome. There he is. While everyone else is busy dreaming of a whip, I'm actually dreaming bears. I don't understand that. I mean, oh wait, bears like honey. Action. Yep, this place is cool. I want to try the parkour. Okay, I can do this. Just checking if Oshrots is still in the game. I don't know if he left. So good. Oh, I failed. Yeah, I failed. Stuff. I can do this. Okay. No. Let me try again. So. Okay. I can get on there. I can jump there. I can't do this. That was a close one. Do you need 100 moon charms to generate a moon amulet? Ah! Dang it. Diaper Man! Okay. Well, anyways, guys. Gonna see you back in a bit. Just gonna collect honey. And I'm back. Wait. Redbird! Hi. Redbird! Yes, this is exactly what we needed. Redbird, New Beer Clan. Yes. Awesome. This is great because Redbird is part of the New Beer Clan. I'm just gonna tell I'm recording, but I'm Newbeer. Okay. Oshrots is Oshrots. But but me and Ostrich are in the Nubier clan, since he's in every one of my videos. And Redbird's also in the Nubier clan, but he just wasn't in my videos. So yeah. Actually, in real life, I'm great friends with them. So yeah. And well, this is the first video with Redbird in. It's gonna be epic. Woohoo! And we're back to the normal show. Yeah. Woo! Epic. Cheese! Stop! And we got tons of honey. A lot of honey. Yep. I have so much. Okay. Stuff. Wow! Hey, Redbird. Hi. So this is Redbird, the newest member to the Nubier clan. Okay. Yeah. Ostrich should get the puppy bee instead of the other bee. Puppies are cute. Yeah! Stuff. Let's do some quests. Yeah! Which bear? I don't know. I don't know which bear. I really don't know. Okay. Black bear? Sure. Okay. Let's go. While we're here. Wait, he's going in circles. Wait, does that mean... Wait, is the loot invisible? Well, this loot right here I'm collecting is invisible. No, wait, no, he's jumping. Maybe that was just a random jump. I don't know. Anyways, I gotta collect all pollen from the what? Okay, stuff like that. I need to collect some honey from Cloverfield. Okay. I don't know where Cloverfield is. Wait, I have to do this sunflower field. Sunflower field. Cloverfield. Cool. Huh. Okay. What? Cloverfield! Wait, I need to go to Cloverfield. But it looks like Ostrad's won. Wait, it got clovers on it. Okay, I still don't know where it is, but at least I know that it has clovers on it. Okay. Those bees are so different from mine. Why are like most of them blue? Well, okay. I'm just gonna follow Ostrad's. It seems like Cloverfield is up there. Okay. Is this Cloverfield? Wait, my thing is full. My thing is full. Oh, honey. Oh.